let's go. Darkey, you can do it now. Darkey, do the sound barrier thing.
The scripting, right?
You can't scare me with your avatar.
It's what's called,
Darkey, do it. Oh my god, that might be a little bit too loud.
I've used it before.
Oh my god, that's the best idea.
Yeah.
And now I'll blend this to YouTube, I bet. Hold on, wait, what?